No applause, no hype. Just you, staring at another unfinished goal. The workout plan you quit after a week. The journal with only 3 pages filled. The online course you never finished. This is the truth no one wants to face. You don't have a motivation problem. You have a consistency problem. And here's the painful part. Consistency doesn't collapse in one dramatic moment. It dies in silence, in small excuses. I'll start tomorrow. I'm tired today. One day off won't matter. But one day becomes two becomes a week, and soon, the thing you swore would change your life becomes another broken promise. So why can't you stay consistent? Reason number one, you start too big. You try to transform your entire life overnight. Wake up at 5 a.m., read 50 pages, run 10 miles, start a business, all at once. It feels exciting for 3 days, until reality hits. Your brain rebels. Your body collapses. You burn out. Consistency isn't about big moves. It's about small, boring, repeatable steps. Reason number two, you chase motivation. You wait for the perfect mood, the perfect playlist, the perfect moment. But motivation is a guest. It shows up when it wants, not when you need it. And if your consistency depends on motivation, you'll never win. What you need is discipline, a system that works when you don't feel like it. Reason number three, you measure results, not identity. You quit because you don't see progress fast enough. You run for a week, but the scale doesn't move. You study for a month, but still forget things. So you give up because you tied your identity to instant results. But consistency isn't about what you get. It's about who you become. So how do you fix it? First, start small. Too small to fail. 1 push-up, 1 page, 1 minute. Do it until it feels natural. Second, build a system. Don't rely on feeling like it. Put it in your calendar, set the time, and make it automatic. Third, track wins, not perfection. A missed day isn't failure. Quitting is. Focus on showing up more days than you don't. Fourth, shift your identity. Stop saying I'm trying to be consistent. Start saying, I'm the kind of person who doesn't quit. Because consistency isn't about streaks or apps or rewards. It's about trust. Trusting yourself. Every time you quit, you tell your brain your word means nothing. Every time you follow through, you rebuild that trust. And once you trust yourself, you don't need motivation. You don't need reminders. You just do it. So next time you feel like skipping, remember this. The workout isn't about muscles. The reading isn't about knowledge. The habit isn't about results. It's about proving to yourself that you are someone who shows up. Consistency is boring. It's unsexy. It's invisible. But that's why it's powerful. Because while others chase shortcuts, you're building something permanent. So stop waiting for motivation. Stop chasing perfection. Start today, small, quiet, consistent. And a year from now, when everyone else is still starting over, you'll be unrecognizable because you never stopped. If this video helped you, share it with someone who keeps quitting. And subscribe if you want more content that makes you stronger, not just entertained. This isn't about hype. This is about growth. And growth only comes to those who stay.